Hi everyone, this is Ray, and for this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in the GoTrade app. So this is assuming na meron na kayong account sa GoTrade. The GoTrade app is a mobile trading platform that allows us to invest in US stocks through fractional trading. What is fractional trading? Ito yung pagbili natin ng a portion of the stock instead of buying it at its single share value. For example, itong si Tesla, one stock is worth $754.96. So medyo mahal siya for smaller investors, lalo na if you're the type of investor looking to diversifying into different stocks. With just $1, pwede kang bumili ng stock na to. So instead of owning one share of the Tesla stock, you will get 0.0013247 shares of the stock. So, diba, nakabili ako ng Tesla stock with just $1. The app is available for Apple and Android users. Though opening an account is by invitation only, you'd need a token code in order to register. You can use mine here.
On the first tab, you can see here your current account value, the US markets, and whether the market is open, pag green to, and ang nakalagay is live, or pag closed. Grayed out siya and ang nakalagay is last close. By the way, the US market is open from 9:30 p.m. to 4 a.m. Philippine time, and 10:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. after daylight savings time. Next is your wish list. Here you can place your prospective stocks that you want to invest in. So if you do your research and tinatiming mo yung entry mo, you can place your stocks na gusto mong i-monitor dito. Then here below is the list of stocks that you are currently investing in. Next, on the second tab is your portfolio. You will see a graph here that shows the movement of your account value. You can change the timelines from 1 week to a year. Ayan. Again, this is your account value, and the amount here below is the change of your account value since the last time. Red means it went down and green means it went up. For this example, it went down $12.62 or 4.28%. Under my account is cash, which is the current amount of money you have in your account for investing. Bale, ito yung kaka-deposit nyo lang na hindi nyo pang ini-invest. So, this money is hindi pa nag-earn. Equity is the amount you have already invested in. So, ito yung total amount na ginamit nyo sa pagbili ng current stocks nyo. Pending buys is the amount that you used to buy stocks but transaction is not yet complete. Usually, lalabas dito yung amount ng mga nabili mong stocks when the market was closed. Total return is the amount you either lost or gained from your total account value. Remember, unless you withdraw, these are just paper losses. So, huwag kayo magpanic guys pag red yan. Wait nyo lang and eventually tataas yan. Kaya recommended ang pag-invest dito for the long term. My positions is the summary of the stocks you invested in. Makikita nyo yung current account value nyo per stock, which is, for example, on my Tesla stock is $19.64. $20 worth of stocks ang binili ko dito. And currently, 1.77% ang binaba niya. So, 19.64 ang account value ko. And the current number of shares. So, with this amount, I have 0.026488137 shares nitong stock. And yan, yung change of value kung tumaas or bumaba, which is the 1.74%. Again, red is down and green is up. Okay, so nagfa-fluctuate yan. When you click on the stock, here you'll see more info about it. Later, i-discuss ko sila isa-isa. Next tab is search. Dito, pwede kayo maghanap ng mga prospective stocks. Pinadali ni GoTrade, so you can search according to category. For example, you want to invest sa mga tech giants. You can open this and here you'll see what stocks meron dito under sa tech giants. Yan. You can browse this for when you're doing research on what stocks to invest in. And here you can see the top movers and top 100, 10 most popular, social media maniacs, and others. Okay, so dito nyo mababrowse the different types of stocks. Then you have here the fourth tab, Talk Money to Me. And this is the tab you use to make your money transactions. Either deposit, withdraw, or track your funding activity. The last tab is your account settings. You can edit your personal details, security, and view reports. Okay. If you have questions regarding the app, you may contact their support through help. So yan, pwede mo silang i-chat dito or send a message. You can also browse their FAQs. Yun. And you can check here what the associated fees are. Makikita nyo dito ng payment gateway na ginagamit ni GoTrade is si Rapid. You can also view the full list of the fees here. Once you log in, go to this icon with the $sign. You can either deposit instantly to GoTrade or deposit to GoTrade. Pag titignan nyo, halos wala silang difference. Same fees din. But then the main difference of these two is that for deposit to GoTrade, you can choose to deposit money from your account with a cheaper conversion value, though it will take 24 hours for it to be credited to your account. So makikita nyo dito na if you deposit right now, the conversion rate is 50.82 compared to tomorrow na 50.64 lang. So mas mura siya if I wait until tomorrow. Although you can opt for instant naman kung gusto mo mag-credit yung money mo sa account right away. Okay, so let's try to deposit. I will use Union Bank since it has the cheapest fee. And kahit tomorrow na siya. So today is September 21. It says here it will arrive on September 22. Okay, let's try to deposit 10,000. Preview deposit. Okay, you will get $197.46. If you compare it to 50.82, you'll only get $196.78. Okay, so let's go back. Yan, so makikita nyo it's higher than the conversion rate right now. Okay, preview this deposit and you can read the disclaimer and the terms. Then just swipe up to deposit. Okay, so complete payment. Okay, so once that's done, you can see here my pending deposits. It says your PHP received. Your account will be funded by September 22, 11:42 p.m. So that's exactly 24 hours from now. Okay, makikita nyo dito na na-credit na yung dineposit natin kahapon. How to trade in the GoTrade app. So in order to trade, first you must do your own research on what stocks you want to invest in. For example, punta tayo dito kay Apple. Okay. Yan. So itong letter sa taas is yung stock code ng app. This one here is the name of the stock. And itong last close is the amount nung last time na nag-close yung market. So, dito binibase itong value na to, yung pagtaas and pagbaba niya. Pag green, higher siya than the last close, and pag red, lower siya. Etong graph naman represents yung historical data ng account value. Pwede nyo din palitan yung time frame. Depending on the time frame, makikita nyo din na nagbabago yung change dun sa account value. Yan, dun sa baba. Since Apple is a stock na nabilhan ko na, meron tong section na to, yung my Apple position. If hindi ko pa to nabilhan, hindi nyo to makikita. Wala tong section na to. So here makikita nyo yung summary of the current shares I'm holding under Apple. Under market stats, this is what you look at when you pick a stock. Market cap is what the company is worth. So the bigger it is, the more conservative the company is. It reflects what investors are willing to pay for this stock. PE ratio naman is the measure of the price per share relative to the income earned by the company or share. So the lower the PE ratio, the cheaper it is to buy the stock. Usually less than 30 is a good PE ratio para masabi mo na mura siyang bilhin. Ito is 27.31 ang PE ratio. So ibig sabihin, mura din bilhin tong stock na to. Dividend yield is how much the company pass out in dividends per year. This is a portion of their earnings na sinishare nila sa investors nila. For example, for this stock, the dividend yield is 0.59%. If I bought shares worth $200, per year I get dividends worth 0.59%, which is $1.18. There are some stocks na walang dividend yield, kaya makikita nyo na NA siya. So kung gusto nyo makakuha ng dividends, just choose a stock na meron ito. Average volume is the average number of shares that this stock trades every day. EPS is the annual net profit ng company per share. And 1-year high is the highest amount that the stock reached in 52 weeks, and 1-year low is the lowest amount that the stock reached in 52 weeks. Tandaan nyo na it's always best to buy low, sell high. So the lower the amount, mas magandang bumili. Tignan nyo din na wag naman kayo bumili pag mataas na masyadong value. Pwede nyo din pagbasihan tong data na to. Okay, so dito naman sa news, so you can check the latest articles here about the stock. Pwede ito maging reference nyo kung possible bang tataas or bababa ito based dun sa impact ng mga events or activities happening for this company or stock. Characteristics, ito naman yung mga categories kung saan under itong stock na to. So pag ito yung mga sinearch mo, lalabas si Apple under these categories. Here naman are yung mga similar stocks. Mga recommendations na binili din ng mga tao na nag-invest din dito. Recent history. Again, this will only show pag nakabili na ako before ng stock na to. If not, wala ito. So, makikita nyo dito na twice na ako bumili, its value, and how many shares I am holding. A brief description din of the stock will be seen here. So, once you decide in what stock you want to invest in, just click Trade. If first time yung bumili ng stock na to, hindi lalabas tong dalawang options. Your only option is to buy. If you currently own shares of this stock, papapiliin ka naman kung buy ba or sell. So, since bibili ako, I will choose buy. Input mo lang yung amount na bibilhin mo. But here sa upper right, you can select what order type you want. By default, naka-buy in dollars siya. If buy in dollars, input mo lang yung dollars or amount na gusto mong bilhin, tapos i-compute na lang kung ilang shares equivalent yon. For example, meron na akong 197.46 available and gustong bumili ng worth $100 na stock. Okay, pwede kong i-preview buy. Yan, with the $100, I can buy 0.685635927 shares of the stock at $145.85 na market price. Another order type is buy in shares. So, with the amount I have available, I can buy a maximum of 1.3538566702 shares. So, kung per shares naman, pwedeng kunyari 0.5 shares ang bibilin ko. Preview buy, that's worth $72.92. And the last option is buy at limit price. If meron kang target price, for example, masyado mataas ang price ngayon and gusto mo bilhin at $140, pwede mo iset dito na bibili lang if the value is less than or equal to $140. So, magiging pending lang yung order mo until it reaches this price. And pwede mong iset kung ilang shares. Okay, so preview buy, hihintayin mo na dumating yung price sa $140. And then, pag dumating doon, saka pa lang mapaplace yung order mo. Ang iselect natin is buy in dollars. Okay? So, for this, gusto kong pumili ng $100 worth of Apple stocks. Preview buy. And just swipe up to buy. Yan. So, makikita dito, buy order received. And, let's go back to view my portfolio. Makikita nyo dito, pending orders, buy $100 off Apple. Pending siya kasi the market is currently closed. Ayan, nakalagay dito last close. It is 9:07 p.m. here in the Philippines. So, the market will open ng 9:30 p.m. Tingnan na lang natin later. Okay, it's 10:46 p.m. now and open na yung market. Tignan natin kung pumasok nga yung binili natin kanina. Let's go to Apple. And then, recent history. Yan. September 23, 2021. 0.682407533 shares at $146.54. Yan yung binili natin kanina. Okay, so ganun lang siya kadali. If you want to sell naman, let's try going back to Apple. Click trade and then sell. So, same lang din, pipiliin mo kung how much ang isa-sell mo. Currently, $18.77 ang available ko na pwedeng isell. Kasi ito yung current na hawak kong shares ni Apple. For example, $18. Okay, preview sell. And then just swipe up to sell. Pero ayoko mag-sell ngayon. Gusto ko lang siyang i-wait na tumaas pa. Yan. Also, meron din tayong other order types. Sell in dollars, sell in shares. Same lang siya. Or sell at limit price. Ito naman, magsiset ka ng price kung kailan mo gustong ma-sell yung stock mo. So, kahit hindi mo siya i-observe or i-monitor, magsisell siya automatically kapag na-reach tong amount na to. Okay? So, that's how you trade in the GoTrade app.
I hope you learned a lot on this video, and if you guys are interested in more videos similar to these, please hit the subscribe button below and give this video a like. Thank you so much. Bye!